Imagine you can visually twist the glass beer bottle just like real magic. Hi, this is Tsai. With Tornado Bottle, you can now perform this mind-bending superpower in real life. It first starts like a classic cabin bottle routine. Put in from bottom, like this.
Whoa! Holy
Shake. Yes, this is a clean and a direct cabin bottle. But as OCHIU magic, we have an unforgettable ending for you. One more thing, okay? Look. After the performance, you can instantly give away the bottle as a souvenir. Now you can never take it out. It is 100% examinable. Tornado Bottle is a perfect trick for bars, theater, parlors, and on social media. Easy to perform, no switch. With the impossible object in their hands, it will be a moment they will never forget in their life.